this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and resize table in your MS Word software, right? So sometimes we needed to insert a table into our MS Word, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. So stay tuned with the video till the end, and let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my MS Word software, right? This is the blank sheet I've taken. Now, in order to add or basically insert a table into your sheet, first you have to click on this insert icon, basically the insert tab. Then here you'll be able to see this tabs option, right? So here we do have many options over here. So I'll be explaining all the options one by one. Let's start with this box kind of thing, basically, right? So this is basically used for the table or basically the cell, how much cell you want into your MS Word. That thing you can set. Let's say I need 5 rows and 5 columns, right? So I have taken 5 by 5 table, and once I've selected, as you can see, already the table has been appeared in my blank sheet, and once I hit the enter button, the table will be added into my document. Right now here we do have, once we open the table, we get some extra advanced details, basically the designing options which you can use into your table, right? As you can see here, and if I click on this drop down icon, we get tons of options over here, right? So I'll be explaining about these tables in the next video, but for now let's understand the table option again. So this, I hope you have understand this one. Let me just take one more extra line, and that table option is activated. So as at max, using this option, at max you can take 10 by 8 table, right? This is the max table you can take. Once I hit this enter button, this is the max number of table you can, basically the max size you can take using that particular option, right? This is the option. But if let's say you want more cells, more rows in your table, so how you can do that? That, let me just take another line, go to table again. For that you have to use this insert table option. Basically once you click on this option, you get manual options to use, basically to add your tables, right? Now here you can manually add the number. Let's say I need 10 columns, right, and 15 rows, right? And once I hit the OK button, 10 columns and 15 rows will be added here, right? As you can see here. Now I hope you understood this one. Then we have few more options over there in the insert table option. We have this auto fit behavior. So how you want your tables to behave? Like the first one of option says fixed column width. Basically, if you fix the column width, let's say uh, here we do have on 0.7 centimeter. So if you fix the column width to 0.7 centimeter, then it will not exceed that particular limit, right? Let's say I'm adding 5 columns, 2 rows with the width of 0.7 centimeter, and if I hit OK button, and if I write here, you'll see that you'll able to write as much as you can. The fixed column width is 0.7 centimeter, right? This is the use of this option. Basically, oops, the table is inserted in under the table again. Let me go to insert option again and open this insert table option. Then we do have two more options: auto fit to content, auto fit to window. So auto fit to content is basically if you click OK button, and as much as the content you write, it will automatically auto fit the content, right? You'll be able to see like this, right? So this is how it works, right? Then one more option is there, that auto fit window. What is the use of auto fit to window? The window is from this margin to this margin. So basically whatever the cell and row you add into the table, it will create a table from this margin to this margin, basically from this window to this window, right? Let's say I'm adding 5 columns and 2 rows, and I'm using auto fit to window. And if I hit the OK button, you'll be able to see that it has added 5 columns and 2 rows, but the margin is starting from, basically it is starting from here till the end here, right? From margin to margin. Basically this one is the window, right? And if I take, again I go here, I took the auto fit to window option, and if right now if I take 10 columns, 10 rows, and if I hit the OK button, still it will take the same area, basically from this margin to this margin. So this is the use of that auto fit window option, right? Now if I go again to insert option, I hope you understood the insert table option. Then we have draw table. Draw table helps you actually draw a table, right? You can actually draw your table by yourself. You just as you can see, I've just selected the option, and right now my cursor is transformed, basically changed into a pencil option. And if I hit the, basically if I click the left button and draw the table like this, so this is the outline. Now I can add the inner lines as well, like this, right? So this actually helps you to draw the table manually, right? You can create columns and rows by yourself. Oops, let me come again here. Yeah, that's how you can do it. I'm not a proper designer, basically I'm not doing it properly, that's why the margin and the gaps are pretty uneven, right? Then once you are done with your draw table, we have one more option, convert text into table. Basically it helps you to convert, automatically it will convert your text into a table. Let's say I'm writing here name, then I've just pressed the tab button, then class, then tab button, subject, again tab, marks, right? So, wait, here I haven't pressed the tab button, marks, right? So I've taken these 4 words. Now I have to select these 4 words. Let me just select this and go to table option and click on this convert text into table. Once I click here, it is showing that the tables, it will create the rows, it will create, and the auto fit behavior and separate text at tabs, paragraphs, columns. You get many options over here, right? And if you hit the OK button, it will automatically create the table for you, right? So that's how this option works. Very useful when you have text and you want convert, basically you want to convert that text into table, right? We have Excel spreadsheet. So it actually helps you to add a real spreadsheet into your Word software. If you know about the Excel spreadsheet, it is very good. And if you don't know, you can pursue, basically you can learn from our MS Excel course, which we have already published in our channel, and there's a proper playlist which you can follow and learn MS Excel software as well, right? So if I click here, you will be able to see that a proper Excel sheet will be added into your MS Word, right? You get the Excel options, basically all these options are available in Excel. So in order to use this option, you have to know how to use Excel, right? You can basically write whatever you want here. You can create a table, a real table here, and if you click outside of the table, the option will be gone and it is back to MS Word, right? That's how it works. Again, if you click on this, you just have to double click on this table and your Excel options will be turned on, right? Let me go back. At the end, we have quick tables. Quick tables is basically a preset tables which you can choose. If you want, you can use these tables. It will help you to save time. It will help you to work more efficiently. Basically, you don't have to design these tables, right? You just have to select these tables and you can customize these tables according to your uh, preference, right? Let's say I'm taking this one, and a proper table has been appeared in front of me, right? So that's how you can create tables, how you can insert and customize these tables into your MS Word software. I hope you learned from this video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.